What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over oil. Now, we had talked about this one in the past, I believe last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, and we had actually already entered on this trade. And unfortunately, as you guys can see here, we're still in a drawdown, but there's hope. We are hopeful. Now, if you guys don't remember why we did this, we marked it up the way we did. Please go check out that video. I'll try to find it and link it in this video as well. But basically, we had a descending trend line channel that you guys can pretty much see here. Just initiated, tested, confirmed. And if we wanted to, we would have another channel down there. Same thing with this. Oh, no, that wasn't it. That was on the weekly, sorry. So that's basically it. We had a descending trend line and a major impulsive pattern to the downside with a healthy retracement. So we were looking at some shorting opportunities again. Now, what we were looking at more specifically is this area of structure right here, which also aligned. Let's go back to this candle. With the 61 fib level. So this area of structure was extremely significant. As you can see, it was support. And when we broke through, we really did take a big dip to the previous all-time low. But like I said, we already broke the all-time low, and we're coming up and testing it again. Already tested and rejected once as resistance. So we're being very hopeful that we're going to be able to see another test and a retest as resistance once more, and that would give us a confirmation to re-enter on a down average trade. So this is oil on the weekly time frame, guys. And pretty much this is what we had gotten up to as well. So if you guys see this, we have the 50% fib, which actually ended up being some structure as well. So that's why we were looking at it being a potential entry point for us, because we started getting some consolidation here. That's why it's important and imperative for you guys to use some entry conditions prior to entering to prevent to prevent can you guys hear me? I'm not sure if the mic is working right now. Sorry, I got disconnected, guys. Yeah, so we're just trying to use our entry conditions. Hopefully it works. If not, I'm talking to no one. Hopefully we could use our entry conditions to prevent any type of drawdowns or stop losses, obviously. But you can't predict the market 100%. So it's okay if you do have some drawdowns. It's okay if you do hit stop losses now and then. It's not a problem. It's part of the game. The only thing that you want to keep in mind is that you're using proper risk. So that being said, we're in the drawdown currently, but we still have an opportunity. And you guys, if you guys did not enter yet, have another opportunity as well. So let's go into the daily real quick and see if there's anything interesting going on here. So you can see we started making strides for higher highs. However, over here, let's use this one. Over here, you see that we started to test this area of resistance with this nice wick, and we got a rejection on it. And then we're still making higher highs as we speak, but we're starting to get some consolidation, and we can see that the market is starting to get exhausted around this previous area of structure, which also aligns with this monthly fib and structure. So it's a significant area, guys. We might see some sideways action for a little bit, but it's likely for us to see some sort of drop, at least a bounce for this shorter trade right here for you guys as well. So let's realign the trade for you guys. If you guys did not take it, it's because there is an opportunity with the setup being presented, guys. And this is kind of what it's looking like right here. So let's move both of these trades out just a bit. So this is a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, and we could actually move it up a little bit higher just to be safe, because once again, let's go down to the 4-hour. We want to make sure that our entry conditions are satisfied prior to entering. You can see here, not only from an environmental perspective, but structurally, as well as our EMAs are telling us that we are in fact still in a bullish environment. But you can see, like I said, we're starting to get exhausted, lower lows and from the previous high, structural high, and we're starting to table off right here as well. So it's a good indication that we're looking for some reversals, and we're starting, like I said, to get exhausted in the market for these longs. So At the moment, the week is still extremely early. We're going to be waiting patiently for an opportunity to present itself. And until then, we're just going to be monitoring this particular trade and looking at it over time as we wait for it to give us a good signal to short again as a down average. Now, down averaging is it's pretty much like an advanced level of risk. We can talk about that in greater detail if you guys have any questions on it. Otherwise, just stay monitoring this on the daily 4-hour time frame. Wait for a solid entry condition to be given or confirmation to be given, and then we can wait for and then we can execute. Like I said, this area structure is significant, aligns with fib. We have this huge downward pattern right here, so there's a lot of downward momentum coming along in addition to that trend. So just keep that in mind, guys. Just be very patient. No need to be greedy, and we'll just wait for an opportunity to present itself if and when it does. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.